Welcome to Kayukido.
Today we discuss how to use a baby swing safely. A baby swing can be a very useful and convenient piece of equipment for any busy parent. It can provide a place to put your little one down for a little bit or keep them entertained for a few minutes before putting them back into their crib or pack and play again. However, you must always remember how to use a baby swing safely when using it with your child at home. When can you put a baby in a baby swing? The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends waiting at least 2 months after your child's birth before using a baby swing. This is because you want to make sure that the infant's neck muscles are strong enough to hold their head up for extended periods of time and that their spine is fully developed and able to support their body weight. You should also make sure your child has plenty of tummy time during this period, as it will help strengthen their neck and back muscles. Once your child reaches 4 to 6 months old and weighs at least 15 pounds or more, they can safely use the swing. You'll probably want to start with low settings first and gradually increase them as they grow older and more comfortable with the movement. When it comes to buying baby gear, the safest and most economical option is often a second-hand purchase from someone you know and trust. However, when it comes to baby swings and other equipment, safety is a major concern. How long can you use a baby swing? Baby swings are safe for short periods of time. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that babies spend no more than an hour in any single place. This includes car seats, strollers, bathtubs, and swings. While most manufacturers recommend that babies spend no more than 30 minutes in their swing at one time, some infants may require longer periods of activity stimulation before they can sleep or attend to other activities like eating or playing on the floor or mat with toys or books. Some babies may also need to be rocked after feedings as well as before naps or bedtime in order to help them relax enough to fall asleep without crying and or fussing about being put down after feedings during the day and night. This is called rooming in. The weight limit on a baby swing? The weight limit on baby swings varies by model, but it typically ranges from 5 to 30 pounds, 2.3 to 13.6 kilograms. Some even go up to 50 pounds, 23 kilograms, or more. Many swings also have weight limits that vary based on whether they're used in an upright position or reclined one, usually 20 pounds, 9 kilograms, or less in the latter case. Some parents may wonder if their bouncer seats can be used as a substitute for a baby swing, but these seats should never be used for this purpose because they don't have adequate support for babies who weigh more than 20 pounds, 9 kilograms. How to hang a baby swing from a tree. Use a heavy-duty strap rated at least 1,500 pounds. Make sure the tree is strong enough to support the weight of your swing and that there are no branches in the way. Tie the strap to your swing using a double-looped bowline knot, as shown. The knot should be snug against the tree, so it doesn't slip off, but not too tight, or it could damage the bark of your tree or cause injury if someone fell on it or stepped on it by accident. How to safely install a baby swing. Before using your swing seat for toddlers, you'll need to install it correctly. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Make sure there is no damage or missing parts on the swing's frame or base. If there is any damage, do not use the swing until the damage has been repaired by a professional. If any parts are missing, contact the manufacturer for replacements or instructions on how to fix the problem yourself. 2. Place the frame securely on a level surface with enough room between it and other objects so that nothing will interfere with its operation if it moves suddenly during use, such as walls or furniture. 3. Securely fasten all bolts that hold the seat into place with wrenches or pliers. Don't use just screwdrivers. This would ensure that they don't come loose during use, which could cause injury if they were to fall into your baby's hands or mouth while he's swinging around in his seat at high speeds. How to use a baby swing safely. Here are some tips to help you on how to use a baby swing safely. Check for age recommendations. It's important to make sure that you purchase a swing that is appropriate for your child's age. The weight limit on most swings is 25 pounds, but some may not be safe for infants under 6 months of age. Keep pets away from baby. If you have pets in your home, make sure that they stay away from the swing at all times. Pets have been known to climb into swings and get tangled up in cords and straps, which could hurt them or cause them injury if they panic while trapped inside of the swing. Also, Some pet fur can get caught inside of the motor housing on certain models of swings, which could cause problems if it gets into moving parts or electrical components. Check for safety features. Even though all baby swings look pretty similar on the outside, they're not all made equally. Some have more safety features than others, so make sure that your baby swing has at least some of them before you buy it. For example, look for one with a 5-point harness system that keeps your child securely held in place at all times so he or she can't fall out and get hurt when playing with toys in their seat or when you're pushing them around. Also, make sure there's a stop button on the swing so that if something goes wrong, like if your baby gets tangled up in his straps, he won't be able to keep swinging until he falls out of his seat and hurts himself. Baby swings should not be used for sleeping. Cribs and bassinets are the only places you should put your baby to sleep. For safety reasons, babies should always be put to sleep on their backs, on a flat surface. You should also never become complacent and leave your baby unattended in their swing. Baby swings are not meant to be used as sleeping devices. I would never advocate waking a sleeping baby, but if the baby is sleeping in a bouncy chair or a swing, somebody needs to be paying attention to them. Those are not safe ways for babies to sleep unattended. Verdict. Keeping your baby safe is something that parents should always strive to do, especially when it comes to things like a baby swing, which is made for some of the most fragile children on the planet. It's not hard to make sure that you're using a baby swing safely, but sometimes it takes a little guidance. Our hope is that this article gives you all of the guidance you need on how to use a baby swing safely without any worries about safety or proper usage.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.